Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate the support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about 4 dividend stocks to buy in December 2018. As volatility increases and confidence in the market decreases, investors are moving their asset allocation from growth and momentum stocks to value and stable stocks. The stock price of value stocks do not increase as much as growth stocks, but they are more stable and pay a steady dividend, which is a great source of passive income. First stock is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple designs, manufactures, and markets mobile communication and media devices and personal computers. It also sells various related software services, accessories, and third-party digital content and applications. Current price is $178.55. Market cap is $874 billion. PE ratio is 15, and forward PE ratio is 12. All right, let's take a look at performance. Today, down 0.77%. Past week, up 2.09%. Past month, down 15.14%. Past 3 months, down 20.9%. I think it's a good buying opportunity right now. Past year, up 4.98%. And past 5 years, up 162.63%. Dividend yield is 1.63%, which means they are paying investors $2.92 per year for each share. Next is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ, which together with its subsidiaries researches and develops, manufactures, and sells various products in the health care field worldwide in consumer packaged goods, medical devices, and pharmaceutical segments. Current price is $145.85. Market cap is $391 billion. PE ratio is 26, and forward PE ratio is 17. Take a look at performance. Past week, up 2.82%. Past month, up 6.42%. Past 3 months, up 9.05%. Past year, up 6.84%. And past 5 years, up 75.14%. Dividend yield is 2.47%, which means they are paying investors $3.60 per year for each share. Next is JP Morgan Chase, ticker symbol JPM. JP Morgan operates as a financial services company worldwide. It operates through 4 segments: consumer and community banking, corporate and investment bank, commercial banking, and asset and wealth management. Current price is $110.19. Market cap is $369 billion. PE ratio is 13, and forward PE ratio is 11. Take a look at performance. Past week, up 3.23%. Past month, up 4.23%. Past 3 months, down 3.37%. Past year, up 10.06%. And past 5 years, up 117.69%. Dividend yield is 2.91%, which means they're paying investors $3.20 per year for each share. Last but not least is Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. Walmart engages in the retail and wholesale operations in various formats worldwide. Company operates through 3 segments: Walmart US, Walmart International, and Sam's Club, through its supercenters, supermarkets, warehouse clubs, cash and carry stores, discount stores, drug stores, and convenience stores, along with e-commerce websites such as walmart.com and jet.com. Current price is $97.29. Market cap is $282 billion. PE ratio is 58, and forward PE ratio is 21. All right, let's take a look at performance. Past week, up 3.36%. Past month, down 2.91%. Past 3 months, up 1.14%. Past year, up 2.44%. And past 5 years, up 38.5%. Dividend yield is 2.14%, which means they're paying investors $2.08 per year for each share. That's all for this video. Which stocks are you buying December 2018? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.